tomorrow's happiness. But humanity says if there is a good store of thoughts in mind, then there is happiness every day. And a new day starts with a new belief, strength, and endless possibilities. So, to inspire us and illuminate our morning assembly, Sakshi will present today's thought.
Hello, I am Sakshi. Today's good thought is happiness is not the absence of problems, it is the ability to deal with them.
Thank you, Sakshi, for inspiring us with the amazing thought. Every day comes with a new ray of hope and happening, and we need to know the special significance of each day. So, Soham will present special significance of the day.
I am so. Today's date is 11 September 2023 and day is Monday. Today's sunrise is 6:20 am and sunset is 6:14 pm.
Thank you, Soham. Our teachers and our parents have very big expectations and dreams from us. And to fulfill these dreams, we should be in touch with each and every happening moments. So Sujay will present today's headlines.
Hello, I am Sujay. Today's breaking news. Project connecting India to Europe via Middle East, largest corporate project in history. Second, nothing Hindu about what the BJP does. Rahul Gandhi. Thank you.
Thank you, Sujay. Friends, a shadow is needed to walk in the sun. We are light to walk in the darkness. In the same way, everyone requires knowledge to live a knowledgeable life. We have a lot of questions taking place in our mind. Some are social, economical, scientific, academic, etc. We have some questions to write now. Let's see if you get answer to these questions. So, Vaishnavi will ask today's general knowledge questions.
Hello student, my name is Vaishnavi. I will ask you some general knowledge questions. Please raise your hand only and answer it. Question 1. When did Chandrayaan 3 launch? Option 1 14 July 2023. Option 2 14 June 2023. Option 3 30 February 2023. I repeat again. When did Chandrayaan 3 launch? 14 July 2023. Correct answer. Chandrayaan 3 launch on 14 July at 2:35 pm. Question 2. Who invented the nuclear bomb? Option 1 J. Robert Oppenheimer. Option 2 Edward Teller. Option 3 Adolf Hitler. Question 2. Who invented the nuclear bomb? Option 1 J. Robert Oppenheimer. Option 2 Edward Teller. Option 3 Adolf Hitler. न्यूक्लिअर बॉम्बचा शोध कोणी लावला? ऑप्शन 1 जे रॉबर्ट ओपनहायमर. ऑप्शन 2 एडवर्ड टेलर. ऑप्शन 3 एडॉल्फ हिटलर. Answer is J. Robert Oppenheimer invented the nuclear bomb. Question 3. When is World Environment Day? Option 1 14 July. Option 2 16 June. Option 3 5 June. Stand up. Correct answer. It was correct answer. 5 June is World Environment Day. Scout clap go. Question 4. How many districts in Maharashtra? Option 1 35. Option 2 36. Option 3 37. Stand up. Correct. It was right answer. Scout clap goes. There are 36 districts in Maharashtra and 357 talukas. Question 5. What was the name of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj mother? Option 1. Soirabai Bhosle. Option 2. Putalabai Bhosle. Option 3. Jizabai Bhosle. Stand up. It was correct answer. The name of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj mother is Jizabai Bhosle. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Scout clap goes. We earn linguistic skills everywhere, not only for solving language proper, but language is useful in every part of life. That's why to use language effectively, we have to play with language. So Janvi and Vaishnavi will present the conversation.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I am good. What's about you?
I am also fine.
Janvi, what's your opinion about yesterday's exhibition?
It was great. There was many feeling to learn about it. I got lot of knowledge about that.
Yeah, a science exhibition should be a lot of knowledge.
Exactly, that was great. The small dam model for energy generation was good.
That model is too good intention from the people.
Exactly, the tiny robots are very interesting. It is good to see how they work.
All exhibition are too good and fully knowledgeable.
Yes ma'am, you are right. Okay, then I have an urgent work, so I have to go.
Okay, sure.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Janvi and Vaishnavi. Scout clap goes. So here we come to the end of the daily assembly. So Isha will come for thanking to you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Isha. It has been such an honor to be part of this wonderful event on the behalf of the school. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our headmaster, teachers and our subject teacher Batti sir. Thank you all. Sincere thanks to participate in the assembly and Mishra handled the assembly throughout a wide round to applause and thanks to all the students who listen us and cooperate us. I would like to thank all of you present here for making the time to be with us today and helping us make this event in grand success. Thank you one and all.